Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit green screen video in CapCut. So here I have opened my CapCut application and I have created a project as well on my CapCut, and we're going to add green screen video to this project. So the first thing we can do is we can click on this overlay button right here, then just tap on add overlay, select the green screen video from your gallery that you want to add to your project. And since I don't have green screen video, I'm just going to use green screen video from CapCut. So if you don't have green screen video, you just need to click on stock video and you can use the green screen video right here that CapCut provided for us. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. Then after we selecting the green screen video, we just need to click on add to import that green screen video to our project in CapCut. Okay, and now the green screen video has been imported to our project, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit like this. And if we want to edit this green screen, we have to find the CapCut option on this on the bottom of our screen, and this is the CapCut option. So just tap on it. Then we're going to click on chroma key and click on color picker, and we're going to remove this green screen effect. So we have to pick green color, then on the intensity just click on it, and then we can increase the intensity until the green screen effect disappear from our video. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then I'm going to make my video, this video, smaller. I'm going to fit this video to the, this television. So I'm going to zoom out like this. Then I'm going to drag this video right here. And I'm going to make it smaller again. Okay. Okay, and let's just take a look at the results. So just play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can edit green screen video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.